Hello, my dear students. We are having a question. Singly charged magnesium ions are accelerated to kinetic energy 2 kilo electron volt are projected perpendicularly in the magnetic field B of a magnitude zero point 0.6 Tesla. The first part of this question is find the radius of circular path formed by the ion. So whenever any charged particle moving in normal magnetic field, the radius it will perform circular motion. The radius of circular path can written as mv divided by qb. Okay, and also can written as root 2 km divided by qb if the energy, the kinetic energy is given. If it is accelerated through 2 kilo electron volts, so the total potential energy will convert into the kinetic energy. So this kinetic energy K can written as 2 kilo electron volt. Okay, you can convert this kilo electron volt into joule. So to convert this kilo, you have to multiply by 10 raised to power 3, and to convert this electron volt into joule, you can multiply 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19, and it will convert into joule. If you are talking about the mass, so the atomic number, the mass number is given, that is equal to 24. Okay, and you can multiply 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 27, so it will convert into kg. So that is the mass of single ion. And if you are talking about the charge, it is singly ionized. Okay, so the charge q is equal to E. So all these given values we can put into the formula. So we will get radius r is equal to root 2. This k can written as 2 into 1.6 into 10 raised to power. This 10 raised to power 3 into 10 raised to power minus 19 will become 10 raised to power 16 minus 16 into mass is 24 into 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 27. Okay, divided by q, that is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. This q is equal to E, that is electronic charge, because it is singly ionized, into B, that is 0.6. If you are solving this, you will get 0.53 centimeter. Sorry, it will be 5.3 centimeter. Okay, 5.3 centimeter. Now the B part of this question, if there are also singly charged ions of isotope of magnesium 26. So the B part, in this B part, m dash is equal to 26 into 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 27 kg. Okay, so only that mass you have to change. So if you are taking this initial radius r is equal to root 2 km. Okay, root 2 km divided by E into B, and the new radius, okay, radius of isotope r dash is equal to, sorry, this B part we are solving here. Okay, just a minute. Yes, so this radius r, the initial radius of this A equal to 24 can written as root 2 km divided by E into B divided by the radius of isotope, that is R dash, is equal to root 2 km dash divided by E into B. So this KKMM, sorry, BE will cancel out, and you will get a root m divided by m dash. So this r is equal to 53 centimeter. R dash, as it is, we can write m is equal to 24, and m dash is equal to 26. So if we are finding this, this is 5.3. R dash we will get 5.5 centimeter. Okay, so here if we are taking kinetic energy, okay, so this radius is directly proportional to root of mass. So if you are talking about the mass, then this if you are increasing the mass at the place of 24, if you are using 26, then definitely radius will increase. So radius will increase by 5.5 centimeter. Thank you very much.